Heading to the Sonnentag Center, we meet Dr. Tim Nelson, Director of Research, who guides us through the Mayo Center, highlighting how this state-of-the-art facility and partnership is enhancing medical research and education.
I was a student here at UWEC Eau Claire, planning to go on to medical school. I worked in the ER at Luther Hospital here, and it got infected in my blood of the power of research. And it was really that research experience as an undergrad that opened my eyes to something beyond just clinical practice. So one example of a research project that happened is in clinical care we have interventional radiologists that do ablations to kill cancer in parts of the body, and we don't want to damage the tissue next to the cancer. So the idea was to have a foam that insulated the part you wanted to burn and the part you wanted to protect. And with Liz Glukowski, we developed a collaborative foam project that can be injected into the body, protect the body, and do the ablation.
So my students in the lab are making these foams, they're testing these foams. We're doing all the lab studies to make sure that the foams have the properties that we need.
We need to do more for our patients. We need to engage research, innovation, and places like Mayo and the university are critical to be able to inspire young people to be thinking about that potential.
Students are able to work with different technologies in ways that they haven't before, work with faculty and staff who are doing all of this research professionally, and also integrate that very well into the classroom environment.
So the partnership between Mayo and the university was really the brainchild of Chancellor Schmidt and my boss, Rick Helmers.
This partnership that we've had with Mayo Clinic has allowed us to do things like the Sonnentag facility, along with Mayo Clinic Sports Medicine being based right there.
And with that, we built a world's first program called the Biomedical Innovators Program. What we do with that program is we invite high school seniors to apply. When they get accepted into that first in the world program, they have a full scholarship and they get a research experience with faculty at the university and mentorship at Mayo Clinic.
We partner with a Mayo doctor and they give us an idea about what project they want to do, and then we work on bringing that idea to life. Whenever we finish part of our project, he gives us an idea for a next step that we can do to just build on it and keep improving what we're doing.
Students have the mindset of why not? Let's fix that. Let's do better. Why can't we use this mobile technology? Why can't we use this approach? And so we're empowering students to actually be the problem solvers.
That's really exciting to me and to the students. They get these wonderful opportunities. We use our curiosity about the world around us to solve real world problems.
But out of that whole thing, it starts with the Sonnentags. It starts with the philanthropists. It starts with the people that are willing to invest in that new, bold vision.
Since the university has had the Sonnentag Event Center and Sonnentag Fieldhouse and the Mayo Clinic, Chancellor Jim Schmidt tells me everything that we're doing down there as a recruiting tool for the university.
It's been wonderful.
That has really turned his effort around.
But this wasn't about the building, this was about a vision for how you're going to use the building, use it to connect.
It's their vision and their inspiration that is really a catalyst to not just this building, but to so many more projects that are going to come because of this ecosystem.
We've already seen Mayo step up, but it doesn't stop there. We're going to be breaking ground on a $340 million investment in this region. It's a brand new science health building. This is so much greater than a simple academic building. It's an opportunity for a community to how do we become that innovation hub.
It's so important to have the Chamber of Commerce, the business leaders, and build what the community needs. That's the key. If we build what they need, then it becomes a synergistic activity.
And it's because all of us are committed to the undergraduate experience.